The world is won. Smile is because of power of mind, not because of power of money. More than money, we require proper man. Man is the one which defines a person. Never have the idea of making money as the first thing. Money should maybe required in the house, in the companies. More than money, I should have a character to bind the people. Whether it is a company or a factory or a country, I should have a character to demonstrate something good. Money is a very good means, a very bad goal. Ravan had money as a goal. Now you will do anything to get that. And there is where you start encroaching somebody else's life and property, etc. Whole world is a very good means and very bad goal. And this is where we have to learn. Bhagwan Ram never had the idea of earning money. Never had the idea of having power. Never had the idea of conquering country. Never had the idea of becoming popular. Even Ayodhya he renounced like a straw you renounce. Because for him, the more important was God's wish, father's, mother's wish. More important was Guru's Seva. When Seva is your goal, you are king everywhere. Because you don't want to take. The moment you want to take, you are doing a mistake. I don't want to take, I want to give. I want to love. I want to learn. I am not a person who is lost in his own world.